I'm Pastor Chad Flowers, and I pastor Emmanuel Pentecostal Church located in Mesquite, Texas. We're on the east side of Dallas. The problem that our church was facing that caused us to go on a search in our AVL integration process was that our sanctuary had 133 lights that we used halogen bulbs for. Those halogen bulbs were becoming harder and harder to find. Our entire system was outdated and in need of upgrade, and that's what caused us to start looking for an upgrade. In our research process, we learned that there is a difference between installation and integration. We found companies that were willing to do only one or the other, but Front Porch was one of the very few companies that was willing to work with us on helping integrate the new system with our existing and come out and install it for us. Working with Front Porch Media was an incredible experience for us. They genuinely cared about us. They were real quick to turn around pricing packages for us, and when we were able to do a cost comparative analysis, they were very reasonable. When we did finally sign up with them, they were very quick to work with us in nailing down a date. This project was a larger project and it required about a week and a half's worth of work, but we got the dates nailed down and everything happened right according to plan. They were very good at reaching out to us along the way, and we were very grateful for the communication and for the work that they did. I would highly recommend Front Porch Media if you're in need of AVL services and in need of integration and installation. After our project was finished and everything was done, I really appreciated that the owner, Darren Cooper, actually came out, was with us in a service, kind of commissioned everything. They were very attentive to make sure that our experience had been good and exactly as what they had promised to deliver. So not only is our system now dimmable, but what our church loves is we have a lot more options of the colors that we can use for different events and programs.